The customer service that Wealthy Hair provides is second to none. I can send an email, I can send a chat, a phone call, and there's always someone there right away to answer my questions. And to me, that is priceless. Just having that type of mentorship at my fingertips. Also, I received a beautiful, professional-looking website from Wealthy Hair that has given me the confidence to be able to market my business online. Now, this business, I believe, can be done by anyone because Julia provides step-by-step instructions on how to build your hair business. So would I recommend Wealthy Hair? Most definitely. Most definitely. This business can be done by anyone. If you want to leave a legacy for your family, you want to change your life, Wealthy Hair is the way to go. So I want to say thank you so very much to the Wealthy Hair family. Thank you for helping me to begin the road to changing my life for the better and to be able to wear hair that is of high quality and absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much, Wealthy Hair. Thank you.